Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of family. One or more parents living as a group with their children. For example, the family lived in a large house with a lot of land. The second definition of family. All descendants of a common ancestor. For example, the house has been owned by the same family for 300 years. American pronunciation. Family. Family. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Family. Say. Family. Family means group of parents and their children. Family. Family. Family origin. Late Middle English in the family sense too of this noun, also denoting servants of a household, or the retinue, of a nobleman. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. 83% of families are on some sort of benefit. Now, repeat after me. 83% of families are on some sort of benefit. The second practice. The recent episode where they all pull together as a family was great. Now, repeat after me. The recent episode where they all pull together as a family was great.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.